See. I'm sorry. Oh, Fiver.
Sorry for stalking me. But you can't just wake up and then get dressed. Wait, take a shower, get dressed, and then walk into a lady's house just to come and surprise the person. Is that what you do? No, tell me, is that what you do all the time?
No, but on a more serious note, I said, come on, me feel this. You know that.
Because you're not worth my respect. So what's me sorry? A jarry, a fat Irish.
Shut up, okay? Shut up. I tell you that they can't it will be per was my bonnet and I say. No, we per was my bonnet and I say. Send me who I'm a per was me. Also, won't me fee. At least find something nice to tell me. What are you telling me? Are you out of your senses? And I'll be missing your day. No, who missing your day? Do you treat me like Obia said my bottom crack? I'll be treating you also treating me.
Wait, are you insulting me?
Did
you know I was actually coming here?
No, how?
Then you followed me into this place?
Call me virus. What do you say, man? Betty pay fresh. Betty pay fresh. Cash I'm a penunina, me de pay fresh. Me de petche flex. Me de petche flex. Cash I'm a penunina, me de petche flex. E betche, 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 e betche. Me de pay fresh. Me de betche flex. We jam cash buy, you know. Everything get what they. Sabe cash no rainy, I made de pay fresh, my me home. Chitches. Some will believe it with my music, with me feel it. A ya banga, with my bookie, so sissy, chirami pipi, feel it, winning brony, show mini, but Jimmy, Jimmy, me do be see, farming, hot time, farming, home for will grow. No, ya we ya say, me a guy, to set a little win. My Jimmy come and in to set a T-pen. Me too quiet, me foca, media ne plane. Unisika prepare more rice, so you plain. No pain, no gain. Come on, get it straight and foul on to me. Na geni ama geni na be pain.
You can see we are on set. The making of Two Can Play. This is on Secrum TV. Secrum TV, I want to subscribe and subscribe. We have a lot of good stories there. Odo Carpenter is there. Currently, Odo Akumemu is running on Secrum TV. A very hot series. And then this series 2 is on Secrum TV. Two Can Play. Where first movie I'm share Starboy and we see Kruma. A two-cast movie. As a Juma win and I'm share a two-cast film. Just nipa two. I need not title a Two Can Play. It's a very, very interesting story. You know, like romantic comedy from casting YouTube. Me, myself, and I. My eye in the Gina Honor. I know, it's like the next cast. No, I'm so around. I never got to say no. Mushy be. So I'm so happy. Yes.
I see it.
But we just took us like someone. She's the next person.
Papa.
Keep on watching our good staffs there. Although Akumemu is running currently, although Carpenter is there, although Obiabo Gabeba, and then the newest kid I developed to Secrum TVs. Two Can Play. A very beautiful story. Someone will say they're disappointed. It's a monk and I'm why I'm also subscribe because Secrum don't say baby last. It's a subscribe man on subscribers. Yeah, you are still on it.
Fresh. Cash I'm a penunina, made the pay fresh. Made the petche flex. Made the petche flex. Cash I'm a penunina, made the petche flex. A petche, 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 a petche. Cash no miana me breye peye upesi kedi aje Obama sweye me di me do bechi cash range ne kra me toy en cheye a serious girl ya me next mean to me settle for less.
Oh, Fiver.
Sorry for stalking me. But you can't just wake up and then get dressed. Wait, take a shower, get dressed, and then walk into a lady's house just to come and surprise the person. Is that what you do? No, tell me, is that what you do all the time?
No, but on a more serious note, I said, oh, mommy, feel this a do you know that?
Because you're not worth my respect. So what's me sorry, a jarry, a fat
Shut up.
Get dressed, and then walk into a lady's house just to come and surprise the person. Is that what you do? No, tell me, is that what you do all the time?
No, but on a more serious note, I said, oh, mommy, feel this a do you know that?
Because you're not worth my respect. So what's me sorry, a jarry, a fat
Shut up. So it's a wrap for the day. Yeah, we day one. Shoot of two can play. So the catcher on this series on it's on the Chrome TV. I feel na we as you can see say nipa two na ye juma there. Ejira me and the person no. It has not been easy. By for or all my fans in it, you know. We still have to work extra hard. But that crew no so say they've been doing a wonderful job. Because and then the time I was at the punk crown, but they are all very okay with whatever. And you won't watch out for this series. Two can play. It's really a dope series. Very, very nice. I have my co-cast here with me. Lottie. Come say something. And then I train a boss, but all the same. For the love of the game, we are still here.
Oh, another stressful day. Anyway, time director Freka say, Lottie Brian Ejuma was like, director Ejuma Bain, he said, a two-cast production. I was like, how? How is it possible? Two-cast production. Hey, but God being so good, we still can't believe how we are doing it. And then I like the story. In fact, it's not like I love the story. And I would say you guys should watch out. You know we always deliver the best. Imagine Nipa 5, Chronic 10, I did trust in the 2. You just love the story, Keke. You will just love it. It will be on the screen soon, right?
For real. Like, but they should go to a Chrome TV.
Oh, okay.
A Chrome TV, like, instead of making car can subscribe. So when you subscribe to a Chrome TV, you only not subscribe because a Chrome TV 2 is a banger channel. What has been your best scene for today? And the scene when I would travel to say what Philippa.
My best scene, I would say the first scene I shot. A lot of people will say I'm actually bringing my true character out. Of course, I am a little bit egoistic. That's part of me. There is no way you can change that about me. But I do baby so I need the Subani Kakana 10-year play role no so camera. And it's been long I have been on the screen. Yes. Intima banana ma ba me be ejuma no so amamo kama. Intima nshama me pa. The one me say complaining lot why are you even my Instagram, my Snap, where have you been? Where have you been? And the major bibia say ni be chat. Amamo no say man shama me I will go off. I won't come back again.
Okay, so said on naka the best thing I was shooting them. Say and then no me since I'm trying I wasn't comfortable because like I had the usual virus now like as a girl on my but who said you have to stick to the script. But I see back when me try I miss me feel here or born out you know me boss. All of me say yes, this is me. Because since I'm trying you're not quite I say be slow, be as over to tell me that's feeding the TV. So time opportunity by I mean assassin I was like wow. But it's a good thing though. Like sometimes no, also comfort zone be bria. Yeah, na
you need to get out of your shell.
I feel like this is one of the scripts moving me out of my comfort zone. The usual virus now you know. This one is a very different thing.
Yeah.
Virus in love, nani pakon and pen on now person fakon and biaso na ade in cancel no here. So go watch or say Chrome TV, subscribe, and share. Two can play. Director, come say something to the audience.
Two can play. I just listened to the title. Okay. Two can play. Oh my God.
Like I don't know. Some most of you know that Timawanda has been assisting me all this.
Yeah.
Like she's doing a wonderful job. Like some say ejumani na yedin. Sometimes like director we say like Tima has been somebody way back and even say na a year CD time na yeah movies. She was my continuity girl. Mom movie technicalities, there are things I'm not here. Until when they need a rise, now say my friend on a man a bit training on so yeah I started directing. And this me bra, I thought about cry na me break degree cry na say me my concept so cry na just give her the script or deliver. Director, I say none there you know like I could say amount yet my perform it to your satisfaction.
Yes, it's been great. It's been great. Every bit of it. Obia, I deliver the lines.
I said, "Oh, me, you know, Obia, I just nipa me."
I mean,
but yeah,
Barros and Lottie. Nah. I mean, Obia deliver the lines. Our reaction, their facial expression, everything is on point, and I love it. May see na me pay pan so. Matt Hodian.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. As a uchi fan so on prema uncle. I mean, he did everything to help this lady.
Stubborn.
Please watch out. This is one of the best because two characters, just two characters. You can imagine what I say. Come make a crowd and na no. And so what I say. Just watch out.
So watch out. Subscribe to Sacrum TV.
Yeah.
Watch to come play.
Yeah.
Your other series is all on my FM. One win and share now go back watch Obiabo Gabeba or the Carpenter or Dowakumem and then the new kid on the block. Two can play. I bet you will love this series.
And yes, they'll play it better.
Of course we did play it better.
We love you.
All the best.
Family, no, we say, me a guy.